County Integrated Development Plan of 2018 to 2022, nearly 75% of households in Vihiga County have mud walls, with most having earth floors and iron sheet roofs. This is the story of the Abukuse family. For years, Mr. Andrew Abukuse and his wife and two children have lived in these inadequate conditions, a structure that could barely shield them from rain or the sun. The challenges they faced were unimaginable, but hope was on the horizon. At Jatelo KE, we believe that every family deserves a safe and dignified place to call home. We embarked on a life changing mission to transform the life of Mr. Andrew's family. With the support of dedicated volunteers, generous donors, and the unwavering spirit of the community, Jatelo KE began the journey of building a new home. Brick by brick, we witnessed the power of teamwork and compassion in action. Today, Mr. Andrew's family has a new beginning. A steady, safe home they can call their own. This house is more than just a shelter. It represents hope, security, and a brighter future for generations to come. This transformation was made possible by the kindness of people like you. Together, we can continue to create lasting change in our communities.